Good morning, welcome to Thai Days. How are you? Good. Hey, today we're going to talk about the important colours in Thailand. Why they're so important. Maybe you have some important colours in your country and your nationality. For example, the days of the week in Thailand, every day has a certain colour. Does your country have the same? If it does, get them in the comments below and let me know. Let's explore the reasons why. Peace. So as I said, each day has a different colour and the reasons why. Firstly, you have to understand where Buddha come from. Buddha was from Nepal, right? So each day is protected by a Hindi deity. And they're also protected by the planets. So for example, Monday is yellow, right? Protected by the moon, and the Hindi deity is Chandra. Also, yellow represents the King of Thailand because he was born on a Monday. So, if you were born on a Wednesday, like me, my lucky colour would be green. Let's move on to Tuesday. Tuesday's pink is protected by Mars and the Hindi deity of Mangala. Wednesday green, protected by Mercury. Hindi deity protects it. In the morning it's Buddha, and in the evening it's Rahul. Thursday is orange, protected by Jupiter and the Hindi deity of Prahyasapata. I know, difficult, huh? Friday would be blue, protected by Venus. The Hindi deity would be Shakura. Again, Friday's a special day because the Queen was born on that day. Saturday, purple, protected by Saturn and the Hindi deity of Shani. And then Sunday is red, protected by the sun and the Hindi deity of Surya. So, as I said, the Hindi deity comes from Buddha, because as you know he was from Nepal, and they're all protected by the planets and a Hindi deity. I hope that explains why. Also, the temples will usually have different Buddha statues for each different day of the week. As you can see, these temples are white. White is for purity and the symbol of Buddhism. And the opposite of white is black. Black isn't the same as Western culture. Black is death, bad luck. Gold is for wealth. Wealth being rich and having money. There's a really good channel called Hey Kid, It's Dad. He goes into gold a lot better than I do. I'll put the description down. Hey, maybe you could leave your comments down below about your different colours. Your favourite colour. What's your favourite colour? Great question, eh? If you like this video, like. I don't want to contradict myself from the last video, but briefly, with these protests, you'll see people wearing yellow shirts, pro-democracy, and the red shirts, supporting taxing. That's all I'll say about that. With all these colours, you can almost call Thailand the Rainbow Nation. Maybe that's the reason why they're so accommodating for gays and transvestites and ladyboys. Hey, it's all good with me. I'm all for it. Talking of rainbow nations, another superstition is if you point at a rainbow with your finger, apparently your finger will fall off. So when you see a rainbow, you have to use the palm of your hand. So, there you go. I hope that explains the colours for you. Do you have any special colours, lucky nut colours, something like that in your nationality? Put them in the comments below. Like, subscribe. Peace, love. See ya.